Pine Tree Trader in the building. We talking price action, we talking freedom. From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle. Market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, tell the doubt disappeared. Then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the Pine Tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move. Take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list. Apex Trader 5, the profits exist. Hosted on the TV, funded futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Trader 5 flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, funded futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdrawal requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine Tree Trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. Inside bar, hold, outside bar, go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow. Yeah, daily payouts, funded futures TV. Shout out Apex, shout out Trader 5. Keep it lucid, we out. Yeah, Pine Tree Trader in the building. Yeah, Pine Tree Trader in the building. We talking price action, we talking freedom. From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go. Let's go.
Muted. There we go. Weird. Thank you so much. Tony Goldenhouse, Modi, Lay, I am Bruce Lee. What's going on? Jay Styles, JLD54, Mohammed, it's Mo Bro, Ali, Brady Bruss, what's going on? Genius, Beanstalk, what's happening? Good to see everyone. How was your guys' day? How was everyone's day? So pretty nice day here. $629 on that account. About $600 daily payout on each one of these accounts. So nice little move times 3. We'll take that. My Funded Future account. Looking good. take a look at the My Funded Future account right here. Currently up $24,685. You can see today, only 280 bucks. Kind of went up and down. I was down about 5,000, I think, at one point. 6,000. It was kind of crazy. Ended up getting it back towards break even. Closed it down. So hopefully you might see me on that leaderboard. So probably on the leaderboard tomorrow, I'm thinking. But that's what we got going. Kind of slinging around some accounts on that bad boy. Market pulled back off the highs. Everyone thought it was going to all-time high. It said nope, and ended up pulling back. Now tonight, do we pull into this open gap? That is the question. So I'm feeling a little bearish. So yeah, pretty good day. Daily payouts and working on the pro account. Didn't really work on anything else. How's everyone else doing? Hey Sherry, good to see you. Orlando, DL Smith, Bernard McAdoo. Got pushed to live with a 25K TBT account about 20 minutes ago. Let's go. Yeah, no trading for you for a week. So I'm kind of wondering, I mean, obviously I'm not very consistent with take profit traders. I lose them a lot. But congratulations, because you get to that Pro Plus and then you get the 90-10 split. So you must be crushing it, Brady. Congrats. Kelly Kaufman, Jack Boom. True. What do I think of the market? Bearish at the moment. Just looking at thinking that we might push down and fill that gap. It's not too far, but we'll see. I mean, it is quite a few points, but not for NASDAQ. I don't know. I'll just trade what I see, though. You had shorts near the damn top this morning? Yeah. I shorted this right here on My Funded Futures TV. Right here. Ended up shorting off this outside bar live. Took some heat. Everyone in the chat was yelling at me that I was taking heat. I said, just hold on. You just gotta wait to see if this stop gets taken out, then we're out of the trade. But then it ended up rolling back over, so it was a nice trade. And of course, in hindsight, it would have been a nice one to just held on to the rest of the day. But what are you gonna do? I've been doing better trading at the night session. New York sucks lately. I've been doing pretty well at night. Let's get this party started here. Guys, I want to do a giveaway tonight. I'm just feeling like doing a giveaway, so I'm going to do one. Exclamation point pond in the chat if you want to join the giveaway. Taking my second payout ever after 7 months. Back-to-back payout, Scott Murphy. Ooh. I like it, Scott. Something's clicking. Congratulations. Why is it doing that? Sorry, everyone. Yeah, I'm having an issue with Streamlabs. It just keeps doing that weird thing. Sorry, everyone. I'll go back to what I just said, though. Yeah, that's really weird. I don't know why it does that. Should be good now. Yeah, that's weird. Sorry. Yeah, I apologize for that. So unprofessional. Anyways, yeah, what was I getting to? Oh, I think I was talking about the daily payouts today. So ended up with $600 daily payouts. Ended up blowing a funded account, a brand new one, 30 seconds before the market opens here. But managed to keep the 3. And then after I did that, I ended up locking myself out. I didn't want to trade anymore and made a couple $100 on my Funny Futures Pro account. And that was pretty much it. And I got this one to 50%, and I got a brand new account here to keep working. I was very tempted. That's what I was saying. I was very tempted to reset that 50K T Perfect Trader, but you know, I was like, market's open, guys. Good luck. Woo! Look at this rip, 40-pointer. But there was no need because I mean, I have 3 accounts already that are over the buffer and been taking nice daily payouts on it. So I really didn't feel the need to reset the account, which is a good thing. $650. I thought about it. I mean, it's not too bad of an investment, but I just don't want to get in that habit again. Sleepy Mocha, what's going on? My first ever Lucid payout was approved. They only deducted $3K from my account. I was confused about the wording that all profits would be deducted. Oh, yeah, depending on what, I don't know which account you had there, but Streamlabs have been bad for a lot of people lately. Yeah, it's just, I don't know what it is. It's been echoing and then it muted my mic. I don't know. Did a big update, but so yeah, I had a really good day. Yeezus, thank you. Greg Acer in the house. What's going on? Market makers are messing up my stream. Yeah. Exclamation point Pine in the house. Witch on the roof. What's going on? Trading Star. Hey, Trading Star. Good to see you, man. Long time no see. Rufio. Yo, Jim. HR. All right, pushing up here. Nice little 60, just about a 60-point bounce. First 2 minutes into the market here. It's kind of leaning a little bearish. I mean, just because. I mean, look at this. But obviously, the market has a different plan at the moment, pushing higher. I need to make a few $100 to try to pass this. So I might try. If I see a little setup, I'm going to be patient here. Sabre, what's going on? Thank you, Trading Star. Guys, do me a favor, smash that like button. Can't catch my streams usually. Yeah, late. Probably late for you. Adam Daz in the house. Guys, do me a favor, smash that like button, and we'll do a Lucid 50K giveaway a little bit later in the stream. Always wrenching in the house. Jared. Feels like A's session pre-FOMC day can be a little weird. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, tomorrow the old FOMC. Tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern time. What's up, Mr. Tactical? Trade what you see. That's right. Just gotta trade what I see. Took a beautiful trade on My Funny Futures TV this morning, in case you guys missed it. Took a nice trade off that outside bar right here. Took some heat on it. Stop was up here. Ended up rolling back over and then never looked back. Went straight down. Nice trade. But right now we are getting a bounce here. Is the deal back on? Is that what the bounce is? We never know. What's up, J Mills in the house? What's up, Shaitan? iTrades. An inside bar here on a 2-minute chart. We do have some zero prints down below here. 33.50s. Lots of them actually. So what I'd like to see is a nice little short entry and then perhaps be able to take it short down into this zone. Might try it off this inside bar. Oh, I didn't get filled there. I tried to get in on the ask. That's unfortunate. I'll take that off now. Yeah, that's how my night's gonna start already. We'll switch to micros just because we can get better fills usually. Boy, that sucked. Ran some stops down below there into those zero prints. Yeah, that sucked. I was hoping to get in on that short. I tried to hit the ask and never filled. Unfortunately, getting a pop right back up. It's all right. Hopefully we get another trade here. Just gonna move the micros just because of the spread. Spread's nasty with an NQ at the moment. I'm trying to short here. See if we get a little more continuation. Come back down. Fill some of this area. I only need a few, maybe a few more hundred to pass this account. Well, I guess it's gonna bounce here. Targeting some zero prints down here at 328. Oof, just whipping around here. I don't even need this much to pass. I just need something like this. Looking like it wants to push higher though. Hmm. $30,356. See if we can get below that 350s. What's up, Bear Trader in the house? Sean in the house? What's going on? Miss K, what is going on? Miss K says smash that like button or no giveaway. You can't hear me again? Oh, you can't hear me. You're at work. Oh, okay. I'm like, you can't hear me? I'm like, damn it. Well, going higher here. Woof. Whipping around. Making a new session high, 367. I should close this, I'm thinking. Could get another little spike higher. Closing it. Shit. Down 734 on this eval. Well, that didn't work. So I guess I had a little FOMO just because, you know, I tried to get in short right there and it dropped down to those single prints that I was, or the zero prints that I was trying to target, and then popped it back above, and I hopped back in the same, basically the same entry that I was trying to, and then I decided that it did not want to go back down. So we are pushing up higher. Pines Road to 10,000 subs. Yeah, we're getting there. Almost 8,000. Do a copy trade? Yes, I do sometimes. I copy traded all these daily payout accounts. I copy trade these ones right now. I don't copy trade all my accounts. When I was trading, when I had a lot of Apex accounts, if I have like, you know, 18, 20 accounts, I copy trade all those. I usually copy trade within the firms if I have multiples. How's the trade day? Oh, I cooked that through like 3 weeks ago. Where you been? What's going on, man? Maybe 4 weeks ago. Yeah, I'm currently under probation. How do you copy trade TPT on Tradeovate? Very simple. So you just go down to manage groups, and then you put in a group name, Pine. So put in code Pine. That's usually what I do. And then you just take your accounts, slide them over. So whatever accounts you want to copy trade. Boom, boom, boom. And then you hit save. And then you hit the group down here. And then you have to be on one of those accounts. And then you have to multiply it by 3. So if I want to trade, say, 1 mini per account, you have to go times 3 per account. You know what I'm saying? What's up, Dad? Trading stonks in the house. Adrian Chong. KB the Closure. Ethan. Free? Is this free? The copy trader? Yeah. You just can't use ATM brackets. That's what sucks. All right, and make sure I'm not on this. I want to take my payouts tonight. I don't want to trade those accounts. So yeah, it sucks. I'm down still 700. Are we just gonna grind higher all night? As soon as I try to hop in on this trend, you watch, it's gonna start to kaboosh. I'm long. See if we get a little more of a uptrend here. I'm in heavy. Man, I'm just not getting the good fills. Equal high up there. 71.70. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for right here. Let's take out the opposite side of that outside bar is what I'm hoping for. And didn't quite get it. So yeah, so I was looking for, I tried to buy just below that prior bar's low and look for it to take out the inside bar on a 2-minute, and I had to take profit right up there at 72, but it just didn't quite take it. It went back up and made an equal high. A little unlucky there again. This is kind of based on the fact that these inside bars on a 2-minute chart fail quite a bit during Globex. You know, we back tested them one night on stream live and basically took every single inside bar, and it was really only right around 50%, even lower. During New York, they work pretty well, but I was just kind of trying to buy that and then just going with the trend itself. This is my thinking here. There we go. Still got a few runners here. Still down quite a bit. On this eval. I was pretty close to pass it too. I only needed 300 bucks now. Now look at it. It's all beat up. See if we can make a new session high. That would be nice. Putting in a bit of a bull flag. I'm gonna add into here. Come on, let's break that high, push up to that 80s. Do it. Oof. Is this gonna be it? Is this gonna be the high? Wendy's dumpster? Yeah. Maybe to take the gap during New York. It could. We get another bearish day tomorrow. They're an FOMC. It definitely could push down. Just like it did with CPI a few weeks ago. We had that open gap sitting there on Sunday night forever. And then CPI came back and then ended up pushing down, filling that open gap down there. We did put in a 5-minute Harami here. This wouldn't actually not be a bad trade. Shorting here, putting a stop at the high. Wouldn't be a bad. I'm actually gonna do that. Stop 15 points. Stop at the high. There we go. Little Harami break I noticed on the 5 here, so let's see if we can get a little reversal. I mean, I don't know. Was there any news that came out after the market? It just feels like the market just selling off all afternoon, all day pretty much. And like, what's the catalyst to pop it back up besides just a little bit of a short covering, or, you know what I'm saying? So like, that's kind of like what I'm thinking. Nice move. All right, taking one off there. I'm gonna try to hold this now. Stop's gonna be at the high, and I'm just gonna see, let it come get me. If it wants to come get me, then so be it. But if it wants to continue to roll down back towards that open gap, we'll take that too. And if I'll just do it until this account passes, basically. So what am I looking at? I'm at about 250. So I need about maybe like 700, something like that. What's up, Coach Fred in the house? Maybe selling news over war. Yeah, it could be Hoover. What's up? What's up? What's up? I like using the outside bar for my entry. The inside bars, I use continuation on trend. Outside bars work like magic. Oh, let's go, Sherry. I love that you're using that. Whew. Gonna sneeze here. Oh, I'm sorry. Muted. Man, that's like the 4th time tonight. I'm so sorry, guys. That time it wasn't Streamlabs. That time it was me. Yeah, so stopped out on that, and I'm thinking about going long off this outside bar now. And trying that, and you watch, I'm gonna get snip snap back and forth, just like on The Office. Snip snap. That felt good too, that little rollover, that nice little push down. Holding on to my trades a little bit too long. Thought I was busy silent, that's why I was silent. Yeah. Let's hop in here. Let's get in it. Let's get dirty. Get up there. Break that outside bar. Let's make a new session high. So I jumped in a little bit early, hoping it would just break it. Oh man, I can just tell. This is gonna be one of those nights where I just nuke a few accounts. Didn't wait for the break. Please don't make me pay for it. Could put in a bit of an outside bar here. I mean, an inside bar, I mean. Inside bar on a 2-minute. Hard to trade the momentum when there is no momentum. Trading at this time made me blow all my accounts. Yeah, sometimes. I mean, last night, we did well. We ended up passing the account. Traded last night. It was just like on fire. It's just, sometimes it just doesn't go well for me. I mean, it is what it is. I definitely don't have 100% winning days. That's for sure. If I did, I wouldn't be streaming here. I would be rich sitting on my yacht. Harley Trader in the house. Thank you so much. Don't do it? Oh no, it's okay. I'll just get another account. We got we're doing well with the payouts. I don't mind spending another $100 today if I blow it. It's all good, man. We got what did we take today? Right around 1,800 today in payouts, so we good. Just part of the game. It's part of the game. Let's see. We got this account too. Backup. But I had a pretty good day today. Ended up going to went to the gym, had a nice little walk. What did I do today? Oh yeah, I went to lunch. That was fun. A little diner, little home cooked meal diner. I love places like that. Had some chicken quesadilla. I was gonna go get a lobster, but I really didn't have much time. So tomorrow I'm going to get a lobster. Oh, by the way, tomorrow I won't be on my normal segment. On My Funny Futures TV. I'm going to be on from 9 to 10. Look at this triple top here. What's up, Vanessa in the house? Trading high. How I've been doing with your daily payout accounts? I'm marvelous. Yeah, I'm approaching 60,000 with Take Profit Trader this year. Just daily payouts, which is pretty amazing. Obviously, I got some expenses, probably right around 20,000, 25,000, something like that, but still pretty amazing. Where considering I literally could not get one payout with Take Profit Trader at all. I mean, I struggled and struggled and struggled for like a year. And then finally it just happens, and then start getting daily payouts. So today, another 600 times 3 accounts. It's pretty amazing. All right, I like this. Just not getting that big push. Not really getting that momentum. Let's get up to that 380s. It can zombie crawl if it wants. I don't mind. As long as it's going up. God, this is painful. Come on. Just give me at least 10 points here. We do have this untested type of wick up at that 420s. That would be an interesting target if we can get up there. It just might take a week to get there. I might try to take some off at the 92. What's up, Chad? I need to have a talk with 0 Day J. Why? What's up? Bill Snick, triple top, good or bad? Well, if it's equal highs, I like to target those. I usually think if they're like literally equal, I think that those usually run, but usually that's a little bit of a bearish sign. What did it? I don't know. I think it's just repetition, not giving up. I literally sat down one day and said, I'm not trading anything else until I get a daily payout. That was probably 2024 or something like that now, but yeah, I just sat down one day and I said, I'm not stopping trading Take Profit Trader until I get a daily payout. And yeah, it's definitely been some crazy things. As far as like, I remember getting to a daily payout. I was at like $100 over $2,000 buffer and then blowing the account. And yeah, I have an issue with revenge trading. That was my solution to stop. What was your solution to stop revenge trading? I don't know if I have a solution to stop revenge trading. It's just you have to trade your edge. So really, just trade your edge as best as possible. So oftentimes it looks like I might be revenge trading, and sometimes I might actually be revenge trading. But really, like flipping the switch with a setup. So like if a setup comes into play, where if I'm short and then all of a sudden, you know, a long setup comes in, then I'll flip the switch and take it long. No follow through on this either. Gets a little follow through. He used to be funny. Now he's getting angry. Now he's getting angry. I don't know. I haven't watched him in a little while. I watched him last week a little bit. I mean, he's my boy, so he's doing his thing. He's probably just going through something. You never know. We all go through our ups and downs, right? Just like you guys, you know. Sometimes things are going on outside of the screens that you're not aware of. Maybe he has a problem with his dog or something. You just don't know. He's a pretty honest dude, so. Oh, really? Forex Elite? Nice. Kostalik, what's going on? How's it going tonight? Not the greatest tonight. Getting a little chopped up a little bit, but I feel like I'm in the right direction now. And I do like this inside outside bar setup. I also like the flip side inside outside bar. It's my favorite setups. I take them every single time. Get some nice moves, but can't really seem to get the momentum. Exclamation point pine in the chat if you want to join the giveaway. No rate cut tomorrow and this year is going to tank the market. We'll see. We will see. I mean, we do have the big open gap down there. And I do think we push down into the gap at some point. Like, this gap will get filled. I just don't know when. And there's always some sort of catalyst or whatever to push it down into the gap, and they'll blame this and that. But I mean, this is just price action that needs to get repaired. Auction stuff. Just don't know when. It's just when it starts to fall and break. It's not a bad idea to hold on to a trade, not financial advice or anything, and try to ride it down into that gap. I did that a few weeks ago when we had the one from, I think it was after CPI. Made a lot of money that day. So I didn't catch the long off the open, and it is zombie crawling to the upside, but really not getting any of that momentum. I'm looking to take some off at 392.50 on this flat top. I think that might be a good spot to take some off. And then I'd like to target up that 420s if it decides it wants to keep going higher. Even though I am feeling a little bearish in this market, but right now the market wants to grind higher. Currently up 62.75. And it's just kind of puttering around here at the 380s. What session did I trade TPT last night? Last night, Asia. Yep. And I tried to trade it a little bit this morning. Ended up trying to give some of it back, and then, but yeah, during Asia, basically. I would say between like 9 and 10 o'clock. 8:30 to like 9:30, 10 o'clock, something like that. That's what I've been trading the best. If we start to get a nice grindy market, when Asia opens up, oftentimes it starts to pick a direction and just goes and doesn't really stop until London. And so what I've been trying to do is just hop in on those trends, kind of like right now, and then just look for, like, you know, 5 points, 10 points, and just call it a few of those. And then, but this morning I ended up trying to trade a little bit during New York on the take profits, and I almost got beat up on these ones. I'll show you right here. You can see this month on these accounts, it's currently up $7,719 on this particular account. But and then obviously I've been taking the daily payouts out of it, and you can see, I think you'll find that most of these trades are at night. 21 hour, 22 hour. See, like the 21, 22 hour. Look at all these trades in this time spot. 6:14, 6:15. See, they're all right around the same times. But then this morning I did catch myself trying to, yeah, right here. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, this morning, 8 o'clock, I ended up, look at this, ended up losing what I was up. Then I lost again, then I lost again, then I made some more money back. Can't really see, but yeah, right there, 360, 375, ended up making it back. So I was up last night really nicely. And then ended up trading the account like a bozo. Yeah, right here, 8:15. I was up pretty good. $300, 135, 50, 145. Then started to give it back. And then after I got it back to even, I locked it up. I put it back. I was like, yeah, I said, I'm done. Who else we got in the chats? What's up, Nate? In the house, caught a pre-market 550 point short today, one micro. Holy cow. 550 point short. That's awesome. What session oh, I already read that. Set a daily limit, don't break it, decide what it. Oh, you son of a bitch. Oh. Unreal. Okay. Wow. Okay. I guess the long didn't work. See, I just couldn't. I mean, it's kind of like I had that feeling, but you know, you just never know where you could just keep getting that zombie crawl up and to the right. But once we broke this outside-inside bar, it started to push up. Not too bad, but it just didn't have any fall through, just like stalemate. But look at this bullshit. Sorry for my language, but look at this. Like, what is that? What is ICT guy? What do you guys call it? Seek and destroy. I'm gonna start calling this like I sunk your battleship. That's what I'm gonna call it. This is gonna be the pine tree term. We're in the I sunk your battleship market right now. Oh well. Count's not dead. Still have $500 left, but man, that sucked. Oh well. Yeah, we broke below that outside bar. I had decided to hop out then, and then it went right back up. Did ES take the first big wick to the left? Let's see. Yeah, oh no, it's not. ES did the same thing. It didn't take the first big wick down though. It could. But look at that buy, that how it bought it right back up there at 330s. Dropped and came right back to taunt you. Yeah, that's definitely that's one of those that's one of those moves that can really like tilt you some days. It's not gonna tilt me today because I'm feeling good, but yeah, that's one of those moves that's just like so frustrating. It's like, oh, but you know, the market is unpredictable at times, or all the time, I should say. You just never know. The whole Navy sunk my battleship. That's right. Feels newsy, Coach Fred. That did feel a little newsy. What's up, Eagle Eyes? Edna Gomez in the house. That is an account blowing move. Yep. What's up, Barbie in the house? I'm doing okay. I'm doing pretty good. Not good trading tonight. Trading could have gone better, but could go better. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you want to join the giveaway. Giving away a 50K Lucid Flex account to a lucky winner. Let's go, iTrades. Appreciate you. Just picked up a few accounts with code PINE. Apex still 90% off. TPT just went to 40% off. Let's take down that. Let's put an outside bar at 350s. Got about $500 left on this account. That'd be nice if that was a news candle, because I would definitely try to short it. Stop at the high, 77. See if we can run some wicks down there. Love to hop in with more contracts, but I just don't have the drawdown now. Now I gotta try to build back some drawdown before I size back up. But that was a monster wick. Monster buy up there. Stern Oak, thank you for the sub. Appreciate you. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Make sure you're smashing that like button. Let's get those like button. Get that like button up. How many we got watching? About 284. That's not bad. Getting close to 300. That wick was a prick. Yeah, it was. Kind of bear flag in here. You bought it at the bottom, hope it go back up. You're probably right. I mean, that was a nice buy up. It's just weird. It just could not seem to. I mean, rejected off the 380s, of course, but yeah, I just did not want to push. It just kind of went dead up there. Yeah, too big. Every time I tried to drop, it's bought right back up. It did it here, and it did it here. So you might be right. Inside bar on a 5-minute. We need some news. What's up, J Money in the house? Fallen knife. That would be nice. Been rewatching a bunch of my streams. Oh, thanks. Appreciate that. Five-minute looks bullish. 2-minute looks, yeah. Yeah, I know. I probably should just be flat. I just have an idea, but I could be wrong. You know, here's the idea. Not one 2-minute outside bar at all. Not one. Not a single one. There goes. There he goes. I'm out. I'll save the 166 for the morning. Son of a bitch. Yep. Switch to that account. I'll save the 166 left for New York. Might be able to catch a nice little move or FOMC. I'll probably save it for FOMC. I'll just send it. Yeah, you're right. 5-minute, I mean, looking very bull flaggish. You're right. 5-minute looking bull flaggish. 2-minute looking a little bear flaggish. And not, like I said, not one outside bar except, you know, the close of the market. So got kabooshed on this one. Got 300 back, down 100. Oh, let's go. Done me dirty. I know. I got snip smack back and forth for sure. Now it's probably going to go right to that original target at 92. And then push back up to 420s. What's up, Sappy Grunge? Keep mentioning outside bars that strategy and edge trading knows. Yeah, normally, yeah. I mean, I did take one on the 5-minute. It pretty much failed. It pushed up a little bit, but then failed on this, whatever the hell this was. But yeah, I just trade outside bars, engulfing candles. That's what I like to trade, especially on the 2-minute. Gotta move away from nursing school, please. NQ, help me pay for my rent. Yeah. Oh, you got to move away for nursing school. Interesting. Can I explain how I trade them? Yeah, I take the break. So whatever side it breaks, I go long. Stop goes below it or above. So if it breaks to the upside, as soon as it breaks, I would go long here, just like I did probably about 30 minutes ago. And then the stop generally goes below. That's my max pain, is down below there on the 5-minute chart. But what I really like to look for is inside outside bar trades, which this happened to be one. It just failed, sort of. It just screwed me, really. So when I have an inside outside bar or an outside inside bar, I'll take, say like on this case, I'll take the inside bar break. Let me see if I get a line here. I'll do this, take the short here, stop goes above that inside bar. That's how I trade those. And then when I have an inside outside, I do the same thing. I'll take the break of the outside and the stop goes above. That's it. And then I just look, you know, I'm discretionary on my take profit. So whether it's like, I don't like to be static. I don't like to be like, oh, I just need 10 points. I'm just gonna do 5 points and things like that. That never works for me. So what I do is I just look for, it's gonna be the first outside bar on 2 minute, right at the top of the hour. I'm already over this market. I'm just over it. Past your TPT, let's go. But yeah, that's how I trade them. Do the breaks have to be closed or below immediate break? I just look for the immediate break. Yep. That's me personally. But definitely could be improved to eliminate little different confluences, things like that. But it's a nice little foundation to work with. Hey, what's up, Golden Eagle in the house? Yeah, thanks everyone for tuning in. If you guys are just tuning in, I just completely demolished an eval. So like this one right here, basically what I do is I'll take the break of this candle, which I'm gonna do, just even though I don't even want to trade anymore. I'm mad. I'm not really mad, but frustrated with this this candle right here. That frustrated me. But what I'll do is I'll look for the break above or below, and then I wait for it on the next candle, and then I try to target, you know, whatever. This case, I'd probably just target the little gap fill down here, 369, something like that. If it breaks that short, stop goes above. Oftentimes it can be negative R&R. If you're in a trend, if you feel like you're in a trend and you can hop in on something like that and just ride the trend, that's always a nice thing. But very often it can and will be a reversal signal, especially on the higher time frame, like a 5 minute or higher. Get funded in this account. Get funded in this account. Yeah, I'm not sure. You missed it. Yeah, I'm not sure what you mean there. You candle dealer, you're long. What would you say are the best hours to trade MNQ? Well, the best hours for me is usually New York. I mean, I caught live on stream this morning on My Funded Futures. I caught like what, 80, 90 points, something crazy. That's usually when I catch my big moves. But I have been trading my daily payout accounts lately. Close this here. I'm gonna wait to see what this does here. It's just chopping. Looking very bull flaggish here. We might break that high at 382. I'll go long here off this inside bar. I do like this combination when it starts to do this, because it's consolidating real heavy, so we could get a nice move. All right, I guess I'm short. There we go. See how kind of like, see how you get those reactions when it can just consolidates real heavy like that? And so like during New York and stuff, you can get some nice moves, like 30, 40 points, just like a snap of the fingers. Because it's just a bunch of stops and things just below that. And then look, it bounces right back up. You know what? Hell with it. Come and get me at the high. This might take it a little bit lower. We'll see. Let me go for a little swing trade here. But yeah, that's it. That's the exact reaction you want to see. If you missed it, you can rewind, and like that's what you want to see. You want to see that instant reaction where it just absolutely just got hammered down. It just hammered down real quick. Whoa. Yeah, like that quick. And I didn't mean that quick, but like super quick. Damn, I gotta start putting in these take profits just because, like down in here, just in case we get these big wicks. Whew. Guys, not financial advice or anything. I can't tell you what to do, obviously, but just what we've seen a little bit tonight. You know, sometimes like you'll see me, I don't throw in a stop and stuff when I'm trading these evals. But, you know, you want to at least throw a max pain stop in, so that way you don't lose an account just because it, you know, does one of those whips, because it'll just kill you. Now I made too much on my trade day. Alfred, I hate that. What's up, Adrian? Do you ever use any type of charts or software? No. No, I've used Quantower before, but and then Project X, and I've gone back to Trade of 8. I started with Trade of 8, and then I've gone back to Trade of 8, and I will never use anything but Trade of 8 unless I'm forced to. And the reason why I say I'm forced to is like if I had to trade tops, if I was trading Top Step or something, I'd trade Project X. But yeah, no reason for me to trade anything. I'm not big into charting. I literally, you can see my charts are pretty much naked. I just have the inside outside bar indicator on here, but they're really just naked charts. I don't like indicators. But this is just me. I don't need an indicator to trade inside outside bar. It just makes it super simple for when I'm streaming, which is a beautiful thing. But I don't need anything else really. I've tried them all. Nothing really helps me. But if they help you, then do it. A lot of people don't like to chart on Trade of 8. So they like other charts, like Trading View, to chart on, and that's perfectly fine for me. I just like the simplicity, but yeah. Finally catching a nice trade here. I'm holding on to it. Hopefully I'm not holding on to it too long. We have some zero prints down here at 37s. Would hate for another pop back up, but if it does, it does. Brand new eval, because I cooked that other one. I only needed like $300-400 too. Such a pain. What time does My Funny Futures let you request a payout, Scott Murphy? It depends on the account. So if it's a builder account, it's every 48 hours, and it means every 48 hours, like literally. It's not like after the market closes. Or if it's a rapid, it's every 24 hours. So every 24 hours, yeah. So it's a rapid, every 24 hours, you can request. I mean, no matter what, you don't understand the outside bar. It's pretty simple. It's just an engulfing candle, right? So you have an inside and outside bar here. So this is inside. The body and the wick of this candle is in the body of the wick of that previous candle, this big white one. And then the outside engulfs that whole candle. So what I look for is I look for that break. But in this case, I was looking for the break. It never happened. It put in another inside bar. So I looked for the break of this inside bar, and I had a quick stop just above it. So I just like to see in these combinations of all these different candles together. That's what I like to see. And basically what it is just, it's like an indecision. It's like going back and forth on an inside bar where it's just consolidating, but then the outside engulfing candle came in, took out the high, came back, took out the low, and then I'm just going on the momentum of that candle, that particular candle. That's pretty much it. If I made a video, that I'd probably be saying the exact same thing. What's my pass rate on evals? Probably 1 out of every 3. Yeah. Depends on how cheap they are. If the eval's really cheap, then it might be 1 out of every 5. I don't know. I just want to get them done, passed quickly. I have never been rebuild on an eval in my life. I'll say that right now. I ain't never been rebuild. All right, I'm adding here to the short. Oh, come on. Just push through there. I thought for sure we were going to push down through that to that zero print at 337. We still might, but man, I might have added a real bad spot. Well, you think the market's frozen. I think it's froze. Holy moly. Nice momentum to the downside, and then I end up adding into the short, thinking that we were going to push down into that 337, which usually, you know, could have been a nice quick move, and then it popped right back up. Unbelievable. I mean, I'm not in that much heat, but still. So usually when I like to add on the trades, the winning trades, I like to add quickly and on the momentum down, and especially when I have a target set. So if I have a specific target that I'm looking at, then I like to add into it and try to get that half or smash or whatever I need for consistency. So that's what I was just trying to do there. Don't you break that 65. Break a 55 would be good right now. 55 would be real good. Let's take this bad boy down. There we go. All right, just give me my TP now. Thank you. Just give me 37. See if we got these zero prints right here. I'm looking for these to get filled. Go, go, go. There it is. Come on. Oh, really? There it is. Barely filled me. So yeah, like I said, I like to add when you have those when you have a nice target to go for. We do have a lot of zero prints down in this area too, but we had that like block, so it was like a two blank spaces, and you know, this is like the footprint chart guys are laughing at me, but you know, it's like we had a bunch of orders above that got filled, a bunch of orders below it got filled, and then it had that little bit. The two block right there that just was untouched. So just simple and it works just like a gap. So you know, when you have a gap like this, an open gap, it works very similar to that. So that's exactly what I was trying to target. So thanks guys. Yeah, I mean, it feels good to hit that nice win after getting that last account chopped up. Thank you, Trader University. You know, the funny thing is, it was like, you know, I'll look back on this session in hindsight and just say, I should have just waited for the outside bar on a 2-minute chart. Where did I lose my account? This is me reflecting. Where did I lose my account? Right in this. No outside bars. I don't trade inside bars on 2-minute chart. That's just me personally. I don't trade them. I trade outside. Not one. What happened? Blew an account. Waited for that very first inside bar, the outside. What did I do? I nearly got it half or smashed. It's like, it's just about patience. It's just, that's all it is. It's the name of the game. Patience. Waiting for your edge. So just a little lesson there for myself. A little reminder for tonight. Especially when I hop off stream. Or tomorrow morning. Is just to wait. Wonder if the gap's going to get filled, Jen. I don't know. I mean, it could. If we start taking out the load at 30,306, it would be interesting to see if the gap stays before FOMC on tomorrow afternoon. It would be interesting. What's an outside bar? This candle right here. This engulfing candle. But yeah, it would be interesting. If I ended up catching a nice... If you usually can feel that momentum as it's starting to push towards that gap. And I love those moves. Those are... I don't want to say it, but... Those are good days to sometimes reset a TPT to like push the sell button as it's going towards the gap. I'm just saying, I don't know. I mean, I've heard of people doing this. I'm not saying that I've done it before, but yeah. Do I like the 2-minute outside bar better than the 5-minute inside bar? Yeah. So I mean, TJP really, like, outside bars are just... The combination of having the inside outside on the 5 is really just money. So it's been working so well lately, especially trying to catch momentums. but a nice outside bar too on a 5-minute. Inside bars, I'm telling you, I very rarely am I taking them anymore. I probably ought to make a video about that. The first inside bar of the session, I still like. I don't know what happened with that today. Let me see. New York. New York, New York. Congratulations to the Knicks. Oh, yeah. First inside bar paid big time for that 20 points this morning. But, yeah, I haven't been really paying much attention to it. I haven't been trading much during New York, only for My Funny Future stream. And then sometimes when I'm sitting there waiting to go on stream, I'll end up trading it. But yeah, definitely like the 2-minute outside bar, TJP. And it's the combination too that I really been digging. The inside outside, just kind of like looking for those breaks. I heard resetting it, FTT, didn't hear anything else. Oh yeah, that's right. Yes, exactly, Greg Acer. Daniel, what is an inside bar? It's just the yellow candle, inside candle. It's an ICT thing. I'm just kidding. It's not. Well, funny thing is, he does talk about inside bars. I found a clip of him doing it. I'm like, of course he does. Yeah, it's just the body and the wick is in the body of the wick of the previous candle. So it's just puts in an inside candle. I've been getting destroyed during New York the last week and a half. Yeah. Guys, do me a favor. Smash that like button. Where are we at with our likes? I want to see some good likes up there before we do a giveaway. We got almost 300 people watching. So if we can get up to like 250, 260 likes, that'd be great. Please don't bot the likes too. I'm pretty sure someone botted the likes last night. You guys know me. I always do the giveaways. I just, you know, appreciate the support when you hit the like button, because it does put us through the YouTube algorithm and gets us pushed out. So please don't bot the likes. I know, I'm pretty sure someone did last night because we had like almost 400 likes. It doesn't help. Actually, it makes it worse. So many scammers. Yeah, it could have been, but someone could have botted the likes, because you bought the. It probably costs like 50 cents to buy like 300 likes. You know, 209 likes. All right. Waiting for another trade here. So another 250 bucks to get the half a smash. So we'll wait to see if I get another little setup here. Because I'm all about getting the half a smash. Getting bought up there at 325. Slouching again. Market's hitting right at 30,346. Let's take a look at YM here real quick. YM just grinding higher. Now, YM had a nice bullish day today. Very interesting. ES also, it's just kind of, I don't know, consolidating right now. Let's take a look at gold here real quick. I haven't been trading any gold. I don't even know what the gold contract is. It's not that one. Can anyone tell me what the gold contract is real quick? Is it you too? No. I never know what gold is. Q. Thank you. Boys aren't even showing up. I gotta. There we go. Let's take a look at gold here. Gold sitting at 43.55. Kind of acting just like NASDAQ. I mean, look at the patterns. Very, very similar at the moment. All right, getting that push down. 340s. Yeah, so TJP, I ended up kind of like switching my strategy around, or just evolving from it, because so many times would I hop in a trade with the inside bar and then have it do something like this. You know, I would end up going long off this inside bar, and then it would just reverse on me. And then what I would do is I'd end up flipping short, and then, you know, after I stopped myself out, I'd flip short. So I just kind of eliminated that. And what I try to wait for is something like this. Now, I think that maybe something where you made a new high or a low, and then that puts it in an inside bar after, like very similar to like this right here. And then you could take the inside bar along. So where you made a new session high or low. I've been looking at stuff like that too, to kind of reverse the market, because it pushed down, consolidated on the 5-minute, and then looking to take it to the opposite side. So I've been looking at stuff like that too, but not taking every inside bar or anything like that anymore. Just trying to evolve a little bit from the blindly taking everything, and it's been working out much better. I've been finding a lot more consistency. When I'm not finding consistency, it's definitely just clicking the button. Damn, I lost 50 points since yesterday. 50,000 points. Oh, on the... I thought you meant on the market. I was like, damn. What's up, Trader Higgs in the house? Look at that too when you're playing the fibs. Nice. I wish I took a YM long at the opening candle. Yeah, I just ripped. Absolutely ripped. All right, getting that push down here. Feeling these zero prints. I'm thinking about hopping in short, looking for 250 bucks to get to half or smash. And see if I can get pushed back down into that 20s. I'm gonna do it. I'm doing it. Bottom of the hour here in about 6 minutes. Sitting right at 30,335. See if I can make that 250. We are trying to bounce here. Come on, get down there. Look for 326. So just went the opposite way, I guess. I already got my 250 right there. Moto Timo off to game night. That sounds like fun. I was down 1,200 a night. Now I'm down 300. The market's officially... Oh, wow. Hey, kind of bear flagging here. Just looking for 326. Maybe run that little wick. And can be done on this account for the night. Then hopefully... And we can... then after my stream, I'll request my payouts on the Take Profit Trader. And then I'll trade those accounts again tonight. Same old routine. And then wait for tomorrow morning to hopefully see myself on the My Funded Futures TV leaderboard. Again, not the TV, but the My Funded Futures leaderboard. Pro account sitting right around 25,000. Frustrating evening? Oh, I hear you. No, I'm frustrated too. I had that account that was 350 maybe from passing, and then now I have $100 left in the account. So, yeah, I hear you. Best part of the night, take profit trader payouts. You ain't lying. The best part of the night. All right, so far this gap's trying to hold down here. Bottom of the hour in just a few minutes. Two more minutes. See if we can take this bad boy down. All right, 30,333. That's where my entry is. All right, go. Now do it. Save it for CPI. Yeah, that one that's almost dead for sure. I'll definitely save it. At least till tomorrow morning, or when the markets, we get a little bit more of that movement. Seeing that approved email before breakfast is nice too. Yeah, it's for sure. Yeah, it's actually been pretty quickly, Alfred, lately. Last night, I think I got paid within an hour and a half of asking, except on Fridays. You request on Friday, it takes some time. All right, bottom of the hour here. See if we can get Just continue the downtrend. Take me out. I'm only looking for, what am I looking for? Like 5 points? Not even. Or like 6 points, 7 points. Do I have a stop loss? Yeah, in my head. Take the long? I know, I would have already been done. You're right, where it's just chopping this range. Well, that's all right. All right, it's getting a little push back up here. What's the stop loss? It's kind of like, it's just gonna be, here, I'll put one in for you. Here. Just chopping here. It's chopping, consolidating, chopping. Come on, man. Get this done. Get this done so I can do a payout. I can do a not a payout. Yeah, I'm gonna do a payout, but so I can do a giveaway. Just throw it on silver. Yeah, exactly. Is silver moving like crazy? I don't know what silver is. I don't think that's a contract either. I haven't touched silver in a long time. I know, silver, no one talks about silver anymore. Well, take a little heat on this account. Still up 695. Little 30 minutes, bottom of the hour pop here. It is too slow. I agree, Sasha. What's up, Joyce? Slowing down before the Tokyo Open. Poor guy in the house. COB was empty earlier. Shotgun? Yeah, we probably will do a shotgun for sure. As soon as I get out of this freaking trade. Well, I guess I'm going to stop myself out now that I know I'm wrong. Still got some wiggle room here. Still up 555. Look at that rejection coming right back down in. Just nasty. Well, I guess I won't get the half a smash yet. Not tonight. Try to get 50% consistency on this account. It's pretty close. Try to see if we get a little bit continuation. Looking at those, look at these zero prints down in here. I think we do run these. I just don't know when. Could be during Tokyo Open. Just don't know when. Could be now that we push back up, grab some more volume, coming back down. I only need 33.25 now. There we go, close enough. 485. All right, we can do a giveaway now. So just about 50% consistency on that account. I did smoke another account if you guys are just tuning in. Well, I didn't smoke it, but pretty much just eval. Got nice daily payouts coming tonight. 600 times 3 accounts. And the My Funded Futures. This is what I got going on my pro account, funded. Currently up to almost $25,000. You can see this is the calendar right here. Gonna trade it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can trade it for 14 days before I can take a payout. So I ought to slow down a bit, which you see right here. I sort of tried to slow down. Only up 280. And this should put me on the My Funded Futures leaderboard, which is pretty cool because it's the top 30 traders of all accounts, live and funded accounts on as far as My Funded Futures goes. So pretty proud of that. That's definitely not easy. Jesus, you got 1,800. Oh, my $1,800 payout for sure. Yeah. 14 trading days or calendar days. That's a good question. I don't know. I think it's traded days. Does anyone know? You know, the funny thing is I don't know that. Which My Funded Futures account would you recommend? I like the pro account. I think the pro account is the best, one of the best accounts in the prop space, period. But they have an account for everyone, right? I would say Builder, if you're looking for daily payouts, get the Rapid or Builder, which is Builder's calendar days. Oh, thank you, Sharp. Thank you, Helpful. I didn't know. I've never gotten a pro payout before. So it's calendar days. 10 trading days. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Tim Korth. So here's the thing. We'll do a giveaway here soon. But here's the thing. Here's a little something about My Funded Futures accounts, in my opinion. So they have an account that's pretty much for everyone. The Rapid account, really sweet. You can get paid out every 24 hours for daily payouts. It's a lot like Take Profit Trader. So for daily payout accounts is really nice. The Builder account is sweet because it's end of day account. It says end of day drawdown. Rapid has intraday trailing drawdown, so it's a little bit of pain in the ass. End of day is a little bit easier. But with that being said, between the Builder and the Rapid, I probably like the Rapid account. The Flex account, I probably wouldn't even go with the Flex account personally. I would just go with a Pro account if it was me, instead of the Flex, the My Funded Futures Flex. That's just my opinion. It's just a better account. You can get paid more. It's has a lot more flexibility as far as being able to get a massive payout if you choose up to 100,000 on that one account, which is pretty sweet. And it's a lifetime cap. It's a lifetime payout cap. So, you know, keep that in mind. But I think the pro account is better of those. So just be shotgun for 30 seconds, just so no botting, please. Just be profitable. No, I will. What would you do with first timers, ICT breaker, as far as my funded futures goes, or anything? My thing is, like, I would say, you know, get an account. Well, your mentor told you not to get an account yet. Well, that's funny. Your mentor telling you to trade on demo, because I tell you what, trading on demo is useless unless you're like unless you're a way beginner and you've been trading for like less than a week. Trading on demo is completely useless until you bring in your own psychology to the game. You got to put some skin in the game. So getting us an eval, putting some money on the table, because here's the end of the day. At the end of the day, we're not trading to be right or wrong in the market. We're in this market to make money, and unless you put real money into the market and trade it, you won't do well. You gotta get, it's all psychological. The strategies, things like that, is all BS. Strategies are BS. It's just a foundation. You trade your edge as best you can, but until you get that real money on the table, it's because it's all up here. It's like 95, 98% mental. It's what you do after you take the trade. It's what you do before the trade, and when you're in the trade, and all that good stuff. But yeah, that's my opinion. Yeah, I don't know where I was going with that. Let's do a giveaway. That's what you guys are really here for. Let's do a hopefully you're here for me. Guys, I want to thank everyone for 8,000 going on 8,000 subs. Really appreciate that. 1 minute here, shotgun. 1 minute, exclamation point pine in the chat. 1 minute. 1 minute. Exclamation point pine in the chat. 60 seconds. But demo is great if you want to, if you're learning the platform and all that good stuff, and if you're trying to like learn a strategy, and it's good. But it's only going to take you so far. It's only going to take you so far. And if you've been trading on a demo and all of a sudden you're up like $30,000, you think you're the king. Trust me, when you put live money into that market, it all changes. 60 seconds. All right, closing entries. Boom. Closing entries. Shotgun. All right, let's do a moose race. 50K Lucid Flex account. Thursday, we will do a members only race. Thank you, members. I appreciate the support there. We will do a fun members only. All right. Thank you for the subs. Anyways, I don't know where I was going with that. Yeah, I want to thank everyone for almost 8,000 subs. Pretty amazing. I made a little video about it if you guys haven't checked it out. I made a little short video. You can find it in my shorts. So I appreciate that. All right, good luck, everyone. Shuffling characters. Shuffling characters. Getting that Moose Race hat on. Good luck, good luck, good luck. We'll definitely do more giveaways. We try to do as many as we can. Who's it gonna be? 45 seconds here. Holy cow, who is this person? Use code RIPS? What are we gonna, we're gonna ban this person? Use code RIPS. Bro, unless this is Rips himself, do you think he needs another Ferrari? Really? You think Rips needs another Ferrari? Do you really want to support that? Give me a break. Let's ban that guy. Elias Thorne, congratulations. Wow, congrats. You just won a 50K Lucid Flex. I mean, if it's Rips himself, then I don't blame him for having an alt called use code RIPS, right? But I mean, this is a little weirdo behavior right here. Oh, that's good. Guys, we need a use code Pine alt. All right, one of my big fans. We need to use code Pine. Elias Thorne, thank you. Congratulations. Are you in the chat? I didn't even pay attention. Sorry. Oh yeah, let's go right there. Elias Thorne, congrats. I'm just kidding. Use code RIPS. You're a fan. I'm a big supporter. Like whoever fan of you. Whoever streamer you're a fan of, you should use their code, right? So Donna H in last place. Really, Donna? I'm sorry. But Elias, congrats. Ooh, look at this little outside-inside bar here in the 2-minute. I missed it, but you could actually almost hop back in. Top of the hour here. I don't really need to make any money on this account, though. Matter of fact, this is the only account I have left tonight so far, unless I pick up another one, which I probably will. What's the Discord? Oh yeah, sorry. I'm losing focus here. I'm losing it. Guys, I want to announce something here real quick. I can't really tell you too much, right? It's top secret. But here's the Discord. It's free. All right, so tomorrow morning on My Funded Futures TV, starting at 9 o'clock, I'll be on. So I'll be on from 9 to 10. Usually I'm on from 10 to 10:30. Tomorrow I'm on from 9 a.m. Eastern time to 10. The Discord is the Discord link is in the chat. And so feel free to join me. Hopefully, I think you guys will be excited. It's going to be something a little bit different. I think you guys will actually enjoy it. It's going to be fun. Obviously, I'll be on there with probably Terry at least. So just stay tuned. Come join us. It's going to be fun. So tomorrow, My Funded Futures TV. I want to see some big numbers over there. So hopefully I'll see you all there tomorrow. Okay. Wow, look at this little outside bar break here. But yeah, Elias, give me a shot here on Discord. What's your Discord name? Is Tom still entertaining Myth? I don't know. No, I think Myth moved on. I think he went to... I think he went to Italy or something. Oh, he's in Rome? Oh, nice. Oh, okay. Levi. All right, cool. All right, I got you right there. All right, market pushing up here off from 306. A little bit tricky here. Not as tricky as this. All right, sent you that. And get that Lucid account there. But yeah, it should be fun there on My Funny Futures. I think you guys are going to enjoy it. We've been planning something out, and that's all I'm going to say. But I just want you guys to come over and check it out. And if you guys like it, then we're going to do more of it. So... And of course, they always do giveaways and things like that over there too, so it's always fun. There you go, Elias. Use that for that code for 50K Lucid Flex account. I just sent you a DM on Discord. Shoot. I just sent it to the wrong person. Oh well. That's my fault. I clicked on the wrong name. Oh, I just sent it the wrong name. Well, someone just got a free account. I'm sorry. I still got one for you too. That was my bad. There you go. I clicked on the wrong one. Hopefully the name is Big Cat Futures. No, it was Vangian. Vangian. You just got lucky, Vangian, if you're listening. But I got the code. That's all right. It's like Christmas. This is what I'm gonna say. Hurry up and use it. No, I'm not gonna do that. I mean, it was my fault. It wasn't like someone was trying to scam me or anything, which I have had that happen. So, and I still got some accounts to give away for Thursday. Probably do another one on Thursday. And I'm gonna work on getting some more accounts with some other props as well. It's all good. You get an account. You get an account. Guys, honestly, I wish I could give everyone an account. I really wish I could. I wish I could give you all accounts. I truly do. It would be awesome. But I mean, compared to what we used to be able to give away, you know, we're giving away thousands of dollars worth of accounts. I would say 6, 7, probably going on $6,000 or $7,000 worth of accounts per month now. It's a lot. Because I give them away on not only YouTube but also on X. I give away a lot of accounts, so pretty amazing. And thank you guys so much for supporting the channel, using code PINE, all that good stuff. And we'll go from there. But anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna call it there. Where are you, Oprah Pine Tree? That's right. I think I'm gonna call it there. 50% on this account here. Nice daily payout account. Hopefully I'm on the My Funded Futures leaderboard tomorrow, so we'll try for that. And yeah, I end up smashing an eval too, so I'll be transparent with that earlier. Got $166 left on it. Might be able to bring it back, might not be able to. We'll see. Might be a challenge. But gonna work on getting another daily payout after I request. So thanks for everyone for being here. Smash that like button on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and thank you for using code PINE when picking up those accounts. I really appreciate that support. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, My Funded Futures tomorrow at 9 a.m. Peace, guys. Later.
Trader in the building. We talking price action, we talking freedom. From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle. Market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, tell the doubt disappear. Then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the pine tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move. Take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list. Apex Trader 5, the profits exist. Hosted on the TV, Funded Futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Trader 5 flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, Funded Futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdrawal requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine Tree Trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. Inside bar, hold, outside bar, go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow. Yeah, daily payouts, Funded Futures TV. Shout out Apex, shout out Trader 5. Keep it lucid, we out.